Hey everyone, welcome to The Explainer, brought to you on behalf of AdShot Media LLC. Today, we're diving into a brand new tool from Google that, well, it could totally change how you create your ads. Let's jump right in. All right, let's just start with a question that I'm pretty sure is going to hit close to home for just about anyone running digital campaigns. You know that constant pressure to come up with fresh, engaging visuals? Is that your biggest headache? If you're nodding your head right now, trust me, you are not alone. It feels like the demand for top-notch, on-brand creative is just endless, right? And it could be a real drain on your time, your budget, your sanity, really. So what if that whole process, from the first spark of an idea to the final image, could be way, way simpler and faster? And what if you could do it all right inside the platform you're already using every single day? Okay, this is where things get really interesting. Google is rolling out this super powerful new tool. It's called Nano Banana Pro. We're talking about their most advanced image generation model. And get this, it's now live, right inside Asset Studio for anyone with an active Google Ads account. All right, so what can you actually do with this thing? Let's break it down. There are three core features here that are honestly a total game changer for advertisers. First up is something called Conversational Editing, and it's pretty much exactly what it sounds like. Imagine having a creative assistant that you can just talk to. You could say something like, hey, show me this ad but with the winter vibe, or let's try a different background. Just type it in. It makes testing and tweaking your ideas ridiculously fast. Number 2, high realism and fidelity. This is all about making sure your products look absolutely fantastic. We're talking photorealistic accuracy here. It's so good it can capture really complex textures, and this part is huge. It can even render sharp, clear text on things like product labels. The details are just spot on. And the third big feature? You can instantly create these awesome lifestyle scenes. This is a big one, folks. You can actually pull up to 5 of your different products and combine them into one single cohesive image. Think about that. It could save you the massive headache and cost of a real photo shoot. Okay, so those features sound pretty cool, right? But so what? What does this all actually mean for your bottom line, for your day-to-day work? Let's talk about the real payoff here for advertisers. Look, it really boils down to this. You can test your creative ideas faster than ever before. You get these incredible on-brand visuals without needing to be a Photoshop wizard. And you can showcase your products in totally new ways. All of that is designed to help you drive better results with creative that really pops. And this quote from Google really says it all, doesn't it? The whole point is empowering you to create compelling, on-brand visuals that drive results. It's not just about making pretty pictures. It's about making pictures that work. So where does this fit into your actual workflow? Because, this isn't just another button to click. This could be a fundamentally new way to approach your creative campaigns. I think the biggest takeaway, the thing you really need to remember, is that this is now a native part of your workflow. This powerful AI image tool, it's not some separate app you have to jump over to. It's built right into Google Ads, where you're already doing your work. And that seamless integration, that's the real game changer. So that gap between having a cool idea and actually bringing it to life, it just got a whole lot shorter, which really leaves us with one big question to think about. With this kind of power right at your fingertips, how is it going to supercharge your next campaign? For more great insights on media buying and creative strategy, be sure to check out AdShot Media LLC. Thanks for tuning in.